Families watching, my name's Miss Jessie and I have a special guest with me today who's gonna do a science lesson. This is my niece, Mila.
Hello.
So we're gonna show you a lesson on color chromatography. Can you say that?
Chromatography.
So say it with me, color chromatography. So I'm gonna cut a strip. You're gonna need a piece of paper. You're gonna need scissors. You're gonna need markers. We have markers, a bunch of different kinds. And you're gonna need a small cup of water in a glass cup that's filled up with some water. That's what you'll need to start this project. So what we're gonna do is when you're holding this, we're gonna use our scissors first, and we're gonna cut a piece of this coffee filter. If you don't have coffee filter, that's okay. You can just use a regular piece of paper as well. This is how we hold our scissors. Can you show me how we hold our scissors? Good, safe. This is the safe way to always hold scissors. Can I see them? Do we hold scissors like this? No. Do we hold scissors like this? No. It's very dangerous. If you are allowed to use scissors, we are trusting you to be responsible and use them the right way and hold them like this. Okay? So then when we use our scissors for cutting, we put our fingers in the hole and we say, oops, open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay? And then I'm gonna cut a strip. What's so silly? I'm gonna give you a turn to cut your paper too, okay?
Okay.
Do you watch how I'm cutting
Yes.
this? Yes, baby, we're gonna go upstairs after our lesson, okay? Here, so then the strip is gonna look like this. Okay, so Mila's gonna cut hers. Open, close.
Look.
Okay, you got it? Let's see.
Now we need water.
Okay, not yet. So now what the next step is we are going to color with our markers one at a time. We're gonna color strips of lines at the very bottom of your paper.
Like this?
So you're gonna open your marker.
I did.
Okay. And we're gonna color like this. Watch me now. And we're gonna color this one. See how this is colored?
Hey, look at mine. Look at mine.
Yeah, how do you like it?
Good.
Good. What's important and what matters when you're doing this work is what you think, right? Not what anybody else thinks. So are you proud of your own work?
Yes.
Okay, so then you're gonna take another color and you're gonna put this other color.
I'll go with this. Oh, I already tried that, so
Okay.
it's all go here color.
Okay, so see how I'm coloring here? I'm adding another color. Let's color. Okay,
How do you like mine?
loving it. And then what do you think about it?
Good.
Good. Then you're gonna add another color next to it.
I'll go this one. I'll go this one. Green.
Okay. So now I have these three colors.
I have green.
Okay, good.
I have green.
Okay, and then I'm gonna use this purple. It's like a pink. I'm gonna add another line.
I'll go with this one.
And we're gonna color it. all the way.
I did it.
Okay.
Look.
one more color for me. I'm gonna use green.
One more color for me.
Yep.
This one?
Whatever color you want.
Red. Uncle David.
So now what we're gonna do, now that we've colored our strip, it's gonna look like this. You need to use marker and it needs to be colored at the very bottom of the paper. I'm actually gonna cut my paper a little bit smaller because this is too big for the cup size that I'm using. If you see here, I have water in the cup and it just goes a little bit. What you're gonna want is your paper to lightly touch the water. It doesn't need to be in all the way. So, can you pass me the scissors, please?
What? I made a long one.
Sure. So I'm gonna cut it.
Here.
And I can't remember, but we're also gonna need a piece of tape. So this is what the strip's gonna look like. This is the cup. If I measure it right, it's barely gonna go in. You're gonna use, you can use a straw or you can use a marker and we're gonna fold it.
I want a straw more better.
Okay, you can choose. And then just to make sure that this holds nicely, I have a piece of tape.
I'm making one.
Now, do you remember what this is called?
Yes.
Color chromatography.
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure, I'm gonna rest this here. This is gonna go a little too deep in. Let's see.
Is this my water?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll leave it. Okay.
Okay.
What do we
And
do?
then you're gonna stick this in water and we're gonna see what happens. Let's watch, Mila.
I have some water.
So if you see here, a little piece of the paper is in the water. Now all this paper above the water has no wetness on it. So the water is absorbing in the paper and it's starting to expand and fuse the colors together.
I want to go. It's turning pink.
Yeah. And so this is a project that doesn't happen rapidly right away, but it is something that you will have to monitor.
Now do we need it? It's kind of fun.
Is it?
This is kind of fun.
Thank you for watching our lesson today. Our science lesson was called, can you help me say it? Color. Can you say it? Color chromatography. Look at how the colors are rising up like that. You can leave it on for a couple of hours and see how it comes up all the way on the paper. It should reach the very top of it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I will see you in our next video. Bye.